Samsung's Galaxy A16 5G is allegedly going to become official in December, but that hasn't stopped it from leaking a lot lately. Most recently, we've seen an official-looking image showing it from all angles. Today, some promotional materials for the A16 have been outed, and as you can see, these reveal the device's most important specs. The Galaxy A16 will have a 6.7-inch FHD plus resolution LCD screen with 90Hz refresh rate and 800 nit peak brightness. The Galaxy A16 powered by Exynos 1330 SoC, and the prototype tested had 6GB of RAM. The phone unsurprisingly ran Android 14, and has achieved 514 in a single-core test and 1,464 in a multi-core test on the database. On the back, the Galaxy A15 5G features a triple camera setup: 50-megapixel, 5-megapixel, 2-megapixel, and 13-megapixel selfie snapper. The handset is backed by 5,000 mAh battery that supports 25-watt charging via USB Type-C, an IP54 dust and splash resistance rating. Samsung will promise 6 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches for the Galaxy A16. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.